It's 1840. The soldiers of the famous Glengarry militia were bored. Coming off the success of squashing the rebellions of 1837 and 1838 in Upper and Lower Canada, there wasn't much to do. Being recent Scots immigrants or of Scottish descent, they did what Scots do when they're faced with tedium. They built a cairn. A cairn is simply a pile of rocks acting as a monument or a marker. The Inuit have inuksuks, the Scots have cairns. So they ventured to the island, which they renamed Cairn Island, and built this as a monument to their commander-in-chief, Sir John Colborne, the governor of Upper Canada. But there was a problem. The island was originally called, and I'm going to screw this up, Tisikatsinak-Wahir. And here's the problem. The island actually sits within the borders of the Mohawk-Akwesasne Reserve. The Scots weren't bothered, as it was said the Mohawks, well, they fought alongside them during the rebellion, so it was much a tribute to them as it was to the builders. And that was that. Until it wasn't. By the turn of the century, the Historic Sites and Monuments Board was created with the aim of nationalizing land of significance for prosperity. Somehow, the cairn was included on their list. The board decided to ask the Mohawks for title to the land, to which the Mohawks said, no. Being fair and balanced people that Canadians are internationally known to be, the government passed a law that expropriated the land. Fast forward to 1997. Parks Canada discovered an ancient native burial ground on the island. With a more balanced view to relations with Indigenous people, stewardship of the land was passed to the Mohawks of Akwesasne. By 2009, the cairn was suffering the effects of erosion, and access to the island was closed. It has since been stabilized, but is yet to be reopened to the public. In the meantime, the government has started the process to return ownership of the island to the Mohawks. And that's another video that comes to an end. If you like this, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications. We've always got a new video in the works. And tell me what you thought of this one. Did you like it? Did you not? Leave a comment. Love to hear what you thought. And if you'd like to help finance this venture, I always need new equipment. We're on Patreon at Canucks Unlimited. And what do you know? There's another video to watch. Have a good day, and thanks again for watching.